was my grandmother's. She wore it a lifetime and gave it to me all through the long years. She wore it so proudly, it was made where the Claddagh flows down to the sea. What tales it could tell of trials and of hardships and of grand happy days, when the whole world would sing, throw away all your sorrows, it'll bring love tomorrow. Sure everyone loves it, the old Claddagh ring. With the crown and the crest to remind us of honour, and clasping the heart of God's blessing would bring a circle of gold of its kept homes contented, with true love entwined in the old Claddagh ring. As she knelt at her bed and thought of her dear ones, her soft gentle smile, it would charm a king on her own hand. As she told me her story, you could see the bright glint of the old Claddagh ring. It was her gift to me, and it made me so happy. With this on my finger, my heartbeats would ring. No king on the throne could be half so happy as I am when wearing my old Claddagh ring. When the angels above call me up to heaven, in the heart of the Claddagh their voices would sing. Sing away all your sorrows, it'll bring love tomorrow. Be sure and bring with you the old Claddagh ring. When the angels above call me up to heaven, in the heart of the Claddagh their voices would sing. Sing away all your sorrows, it'll bring love tomorrow. Be sure and bring with you the old Claddagh ring. Be sure and bring with you the old